Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to install Node.js on Windows 11 or 10. Firstly, visit the official Node.js website and choose the Windows installer based on your system architecture like 32 or 64 byte. Next, select the LTS, which is the long-term support version for stability, or current version for latest features. Now, locate the downloaded file and double-click it to start the installation. Follow the setup wizard, accept the license agreement, use the default settings unless specific customizations are required. Choose features to install including NPM, which is Node.js package manager, and native modules. If prompt to install tools for native modules, click install to proceed. Wait for the installation to complete and then click finish to exit the installer. To verify the installation, open a command prompt or PowerShell and write the following commands to confirm. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.